Assalamualaikum. I am going to start a new chapter of history. The title of the chapter is The Resistance and Rebellion. Let me explain you what is the meaning of resistance and rebellion. Rebellion means revolt and resistance means protest. It was a revolt between the Adivasi and the British. Who was Adivasi? The people who used to live in forest and hilly area. They are known as Adivasi. They maintain their livelihood through cultivation of wood, cultivation of land, collection of wood and fuel. They lead a very happy life before the advent of British India. The British India introduced the own land revenue system for their beneficial. By the Act of 1878, the British divided the forest into three parts. Number 1, reserve forest. Number 2, protect forest. And number 3, village forest. Reserve forest is the best forest. The Adivasi could not take anything from reserve forest even when their own use. For house building, fuel, they could take wood from protective and village forest. In spite of these, there are also some major causes that the tribal revolted against the British Empire. Some major causes. Number 1, heavy taxes on land. Number 2, the missionary tried to convert them into Christianity. The war broke out in 1799 under the leadership of Durjan Singh. About 50,000 Chouar took part in this rebellion. This rebellion spread rapidly to Midnapur and Bankura. They were supported by the king and queen. They supplied the rebel cartridge, bullets and arms. But the Chouars were arrested by the British officer with their leader. To control the Chouar, the British established a separate district called the Jangal Mahal. This rebellion of the Chouar was the massive rebellion of the lower class people. The main strength of this rebellion was the peasant. Another rebellion was Rangpur Rebellion. In 1783, the peasants of Rangpur rose in rebellion against Devi Singh. Devi Singh was an Ijaradar of East India Company. What is the meaning of Ijaradar? Ijaradar means the collector of land revenue, who imposed heavy taxes of peasants at a very high rate. The peasant revolt against Devi Singh under the leadership of Nuruluddin. And Diya Ram Sil. The uprising rapidly spread in Dinajpur and Cooch Behar. In this battle, Diwan Ram was killed and Nawab Nuruddin got injured. A huge number of peasants were killed and rest were arrested. Though this rebellion was failed, but this movement imparted a lesson to the future peasant rebel. Kold rebellion. The Kolds were divided into different communities such as Ho, Munda, and Orion. They lead a simple life in the forest and follow their own custom, rule, and regulations. What were the causes of their rebellion? Number 1, high rate of taxes, gehra lagan. Number 2, men were made कैप्टिव, लगान नहीं देने की वजह से उन लोगों को गुलाम बना लेके रखा जाता था, कैदी बना दिया जाता था. नंबर 3, हाई रेट्स ऑफ टैक्सेस ऑन लीकर, शराब का टैक्स बढ़ा दिया गया था. नंबर 4, फोर्स्ड टू प्रोड्यूस ओपियम, ज़बरदस्ती उन लोगों को अफीम का काश्तकारी करने के लिए बोला जाता था. Besides British, their main enemies were moneylenders, contractors, zamindars, and British officers. To protect themselves, they revolted against the British officer and moneylenders under the leadership of Buddhu Bhagat, Jua Bhagat, and Sui Munda. For putting down the rebellion, army had to be called from Calcutta, Banaras, and Patna. बगावत को ख़त्म करने के लिए कलकत्ता, बनारस और पटना से आर्मी मंगवाए गए थे. इन दिस बैटल द ब्रिटिश यूज्ड मॉडर्न वेपन like artillery, while the Colis used traditional weapon, bow, arrow, and short spears. In this battle, thousands of women and children were killed. इस लड़ाई में हज़ारों के तादाद में औरतें और बच्चों को मार दिया गया था ताकि बगावत जल्द से जल्द ख़त्म हो जाए. To put down the rebellion in 1833. In this way, there were Santhal rebellion, Munda rebellion, Fakir and were revolted under their leader against the British Empire. This rebellion were failed due to some of the following causes. Lack of unity among the leaders. Leaders के बीच में इकाई नहीं थी. Number 2, lack of proper planning. प्लानिंग उन लोगों ने सही तरीके से नहीं बनाया था. Number 3, रीजनल लिमिटेशन. कहाँ से लड़ाई शुरू करना है ये उन लोगों को मालूम नहीं थी. प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम, बातचीत का कोई सही तरीका नहीं था उन लोगों के पास. Number 5, लैक ऑफ इफिशिएंट लीडरशिप. कोई काबिल लीडर उन लोगों के पास नहीं था. एंड नंबर लास्ट, मॉडर्न वेपन. जदीद हथियार उन लोगों के पास बिल्कुल नहीं थे. नाउ आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. नंबर 1, हु अकॉर्डिंग टू यू वेयर द रियल एनिमीज ऑफ द ट्राइबल्स. तुम्हारे एतबार से आदिवासियों का सबसे बड़ा दुश्मन कौन थे. नंबर 2, नेम 2 लीडर्स ऑफ द चौर रिवॉल्ट. चौर बगावत के 2 लीडर के नाम बताओ. हु वाज नूरुद्दीन. नूरुद्दीन कौन था. हु आर रिफर टू एज आदिवासी. आदिवासी किन लोगों को कहा जाता था. राइट अ नोट ऑन रंगपुर रेबेलियन. रंगपुर रेबेलियन पर एक नोट लिखो. व्हाट वेयर द रीजन्स बिहाइंड द चौर रेबेलियन. चौर का बगावत करने का वजह क्या थी. नंबर 7, व्हाई डिड द कोल्स रिवॉल्ट इन 1831 एंड 1832. 1831 और 1832 में कोल्ड ने बगावत क्यों किया था. अस्सलाम वालेकुम, अल्लाह हाफिज़.